Hi, so I will show you how to install the R package. So first of all, you have to go in the directory mixedDistCredReins here, and you double click on the RPudge file here like that. This will open RStudio. Once it is open, you have to open the install R package, the file. So it's in the install R package here. You just go and you open it. This R package will install some packages that are missing and that you need for to use the mixedDistCredReins package. So you can run it like that. So no package are missing, so nothing is installed. Once this is done, you have to configure the build tool the first time you use the package. So you click here and you click on generate documentation with ROxygen like that. You press HUC. After that, you click on build and document like this. So it will now we have to wait. Okay, so the documentation is completed. Once this is completed, then we click on build, then clean and rebuild like that. Okay, and now the package is installed.